So now we want to find the median of these numbers. So the first thing you've got to do, step one, is put in order. So you've got to put them in place value order. It doesn't matter top to bottom or bottom to top, but you just got to put them in place value order. So I'm going to go from bottom, 3, 4, I'll mark it off as I do it, 5, 8, 8. Got my 5 there. So now, 2 ways to do this. So the second thing you're going to do is then, there's a formula one can use, or we can just strike out. So I'm going to call it strike out. And this is how I do my strike out. So I'm going to go first and last, strike out. The next 2, strike out. So I'm left with the middle one, 5. And you probably could have seen that anyway. That's probably relatively easy to do. So let's look at B, 1B. And we have 6, 9, 2, 7, 7, 6, 5, 9, 6. So a lot of numbers can look confusing. So first I'm put them in order. Start with the lowest, 2. So I'm going to put them just here, 2. I've got 5. Doesn't matter if it goes wrong. 6, 6, 6. I'm going to run out of space, I reckon. I've got 2 7s. So let's squeeze it on. A 9 and a 9. So what I want to do is I want to count how many I've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then you can strike out by going out like that to the centre. But there is another way. So this is another method. And it's, you count out how many there are. I think there's 9 here. Okay. And it's a 5th one. So there I've got 9 numbers. And it's a 5th is the middle. That's the 5th value. Okay. Just think about this. 9 numbers and it's a 5th value. In C, let's just copy out C and see what we can do with this. 16, 18, 12, 13, 13, 8, 8, 17. First thing I want to do is put them in order. So I've got 8, 8, 12, 13, 13, 16, 17, 18. Just count as well how many I've got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I've got 8 here. So I've got 8 numbers. And I can tell you it's going to be the 4.5 value. So I want you to think about which is it going to be. We know here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look, there are 4 that side, 4 that side. So it goes there. Here, I know halfway is somewhere in there. 4 on either side. Now, how did I know that if 9 is a 5th value, with 8 it's the 4.5 value? By the way, just quickly here, the answer here would be halfway between 13 and 13, which is of course 13. Think, how do I know, without going through the strikeout method, which value it is? And you need to think about how you can do that. So go to part 2 and I'll show you. Happy days.